When it's my turn.
The rain here is pretty bad, so you might need to be careful out there because it's pretty bad. Yeah, I already said that. And we need to be careful out there, so hopefully you'll be safe. They're playing inside with their phones because they don't want to be wet outside while they're playing, so be careful.
Something to the news. Something to the news. You said say something to the news, so something to the news.
No, say actually something.
Actually something.
No, say something for the news.
Say something for the news.
No, you're doing it wrong.
You're doing it wrong.
Say something that is about the news.
You.
No, you never did it.
What?
Well.
You want to try the jalapeno Cheetos?
Chris, I think you might like this.